Vittorio De Sica is considered one of the pioneers of a film movement called neo-realism. And the film that he directed, Bicycle Thieves, can be treated as a textbook for all those who have fallen in love with movies. All those who are keenly interested in directing a film, all those who are looking for the art of writing screenplay, cinematography, all lessons required are taught if you watch this film consciously. What is this neo realism? In 1948, Vittorio De Sica takes a deviation, brings about a paradigm shift in conventional film making style. He takes the camera out of the studio. That is the first distinguishing element of neo-realism. Camera is taken out of the studio and real locations are used. Secondly, professional actors and actresses are not the ones going to be in the film. Those with no prior experience of acting, non-professional actors and actresses are going to play the lead roles in the films. Apart from this, natural lighting is going to be adopted. And there is a feeling of realism created in the minds of the viewers through the film. The reality is captured and presented before the viewer as though it is something that is happening in real life with no special effects. And the cost of the production is also brought down. Low budget quality films were made as part of this film movement called neorealism. So, what is this movie about? So, the headline for a person who is thinking about writing a review for the film Bicycle Thieves, the normal tendency is to write the name of the film as the headline. No. You need to identify the unique selling proposition of the movie, the USP of the movie. And that USP should be highlighted in the headline. So I am giving the headline for this movie, Bicycle Thieves, a reel of real life. The headline should arouse curiosity. The reader should be prompted with the curiosity aroused to go into the story. What is the story about? The information about the film, the name of the film, the name of the film director should be mentioned with the USP in a single sentence as part of strapline below the headline. So the strapline for this headline, a reel of real life, could be this. The film Bicycle Thieves, directed by Vittorio De Sica, takes us to the fierce struggles of the poverty-stricken families after the Second World War. It will be followed by intro. So intro normally carries the condensed plot analysis. It is a summary of the storyline narrated in the film. So what is the story about? See, for the film, Vittorio De Sica chose those people, ordinary people with no prior experience of acting. There are two lead characters in this film. One is Richie, and the other is his 7-year-old son, Bruno. They represent all the poverty-stricken families across the world, victims of Second World War, because of acute unemployment, because of the problem of poverty, on the point of starvation. So you can see at the beginning of the movie people standing in queue, a big crowd gathered around looking for a job as a source for their livelihood. And Richie is offered a job, the job of pasting posters on the walls in the city. To do that job, he needs to have a bicycle. He is so poor that he doesn't have a bicycle. Bicycle is a precondition for getting this simple job, and he pawns the dowry that he had received at the time of his marriage from wife's family, pawns the blankets, and gets a bicycle for him to go ahead with the job. And he thinks that with the job before him now, his family is safe, secure, sound. But on the first day of the job, his bicycle was stolen. This bicycle was stolen by a youngster going through the same struggle. And he chases after the thief. Will he succeed in getting the bicycle back? He chases after him, but he fails. What is he going to do next? That is what the film about. Will he report it to the police? Or will he find on his own the thief? He goes from the following day with his son, 7-year-old son, in search of the bicycle. And what is going to happen to him? Will the police be able to trace the thief? Will he get back the bicycle? If he doesn't get back the bicycle, how will he continue with the job? Will that job be given to somebody else? What will happen to his family? A newborn baby is there in his house. No other source of income. The trauma that he experienced, the tension that family had, the shocks. This film has all the qualities required for a world classic. It arouses curiosity. It sustains interest. It keeps the viewers engaged. It always has twist. It has element of plausibility, reality being captured and being shown in depth, in intensity. There is the required element of unpredictability. The tension experienced by the characters, the tension of Bruno, the 7-year-old boy, the tension of his father, Richie, also becomes the tension of the anxiety of the viewer.
Al ladro! Al ladro! Che ti è successo? Monta, monta! Vai a presso, corri! Corri, dai! Corri! Avverti il turno, l'ho visto io! Corri! Che c'è? Beh, deve essere sbagliato, eppure ero proprio convinto che avessi preso d'altra parte.
Vabbè, mo' ricordi domani.
Che io
va.
vi fa.